Hey guys, so yesterday I uploaded a video of me showing off Portal 1 mounted in Portal 2, and I know people are going to ask how I did this, so this is the video explaining the tutorial how I did it, but I'm going to use Portal 1 and Half-Life 2, but I'm going to load Half-Life 2's maps up in Portal 2. Here we go. To start off, you will have to have installed GCFscape. The link to this application is down in the description below. This will help us out by allowing us to go into the GCF files. Okay, so to start off, go to your Steam Apps folder, which is under Program Files, x86, and Steam usually, in Steam Apps. And then go to Common, and then the game you want to copy to mount. In our case, this is going to be Half-Life 2 first. So to start off, go to your HL2 folder, whether it be in Portal 1 or Half-Life 2 itself. And under it are going to be a lot of .vpk files. You're going to want to extract the ones only that have the underscore dir.vpk at the end of their names. So double click that. It shall open a window in GCFscape with what's in that dir VPK or directory VPK, and then you're going to want to just hold your left mouse button down and select all the stuff on the right side. Right click that while it's all highlighted, hit extract, and then look for the HL2 folder at the bottom of this list on the window that appears, and then hit OK. Like I said, I'm not going to extract all this because it's already in my Portal 2 installation, but when you do it, it should look like this. But I'm not going to extract all of it because of that reason. Then once that is done, do the other ones like sound, VO English, or sound. Not all the sounds will work when this is being viewed in Portal 2, so until I find a workaround for that, not all the sounds will work, but a lot of the sounds do, so anyway, back to the extraction. Do this and this, the HL2 pack.dir, the HL2 MSZ, I'm sorry, MSSC underscore dir, HL2 sound underscore VO underscore English underscore dot VPK. I know I say underscore a lot. And HL2 underscore textures underscore dir dot VPK. Now once all of those are extracted from GCFscape onto the HL2 folder on your desktop, copy all of this minus the .vpk files because we already extracted those. So hit Control A to select all and then unselect all of these so that none of the .vpk files are selected, the Valve pack files. So then Control C, or do whatever method of copying of files you do. Go to the folder on the desktop and paste. I'm not going to do all of it. Like I said, I have it already mounted. This folder's just for the tutorial purposes. Once that is done, if you're doing more games other than HL2, like Portal 1 or for say, or like Day of Defeat Source, we're going to use Portal 1 in this example, but go to your back to your common folder, which I gotta go to again. Go to Portal 1. If you don't have Half-Life 2 or you don't have it purchased or installed, use this HL2 directory and its VPKs and files before mounting Portal 1. So when you go to Portal, you want to first create a new folder on the desktop called Portal in all lowercase, just Portal. Just like this here. Sorry, this folder here. And then do the same thing I did with the HL2 files, except you don't have to do multiple VPKs for Portal 1. You only have to do this one, extract it to the Portal folder on the desktop, and then copy all of this minus the VPK files to the same folder. Once that is all copied, go back to Common, go to the Portal 2 folder, or whatever game you're using. You could use Global Offensive. I don't know if that works with HL2 maps, but we're going to use Portal 2. And then copy the folders from the desk to 2 folders, if there's 2, or if there's 1, or whatever, from the desktop. And click both of them, and hold out both of them, and drag them to the Portal 2 folder, which they're already here in my case. See, Portal 1 and Half-Life 2, or HL2 and Portal. Once they are all copied, go to the Portal 2 folder, which is just Portal in lowercase without the 2 spaced in it. So basically, go to Common Portal 2, and go look for gameinfo.txt. I'm going to be using Notepad++ for this example. You can use any Notepad program, but I recommend Notepad++ because it'll follow my tutorial easier. You're in there, go hit enter once so that the cursor is under game. If you're doing this in a normal text editor program, then it'll probably be at the start of the line back here. Just hit tab a few times until it's under game. But if you're using Notepad++, it'll go straight under game. So enter game, just like it is above. Hit tab a few times until your blinker is under game info path, and type the folders that you created. In our case, HL2, hit enter. Do the same thing with the game again. Hit tab a few times, and then when you're under HL2, put Portal, and Control Save. Once that is saved, exit your note text application, and then open Portal 2 through Steam or your desktop if you have a desktop shortcut. Once you're on the Portal 2 menu, open the Developer Console. If this is not enabled already, go to Settings, Keyboard and Mouse Settings, and enable Developer Console, and go back to the menu. Once you have enabled the Developer Console, hit the title button, or the backtick button. It's the button that's above the tab key and to the left of the 1 key. Now, in the Developer Console, enter map, space, and then the name of the map. For this example, I used D1 underscore train station underscore 02 from Half-Life 2. Now wait for the map to load up. You'll probably be greeted by the source error sound, which is Dr. Kleiner from Half-Life 2 saying, "Oh fiddlesticks, what now?" But the map and its textures and everything should be loaded. There just isn't any models in the map, until I can find a workaround possibly. But at least you're playing the map from Half-Life 2 and Portal 2.
No fiddlesticks, what now?
And there you have it. That's how you mount a source game onto another source game. You can do this with a variety of games, running on the Source engine. If this video helped you out, please like the video, and subscribe to me. If you need any help, my Steam profile link is in my description in my channel info on YouTube. See you guys next video.